When you are dipping hair with the synthetic boho curl, you want to make sure you clip all those boho curls up and then wrap the perm rod or the flexi rod, whatever you choose. I'm using the perm rod, but you want to make sure you have them. As you can see, I'm moving all the curls upward, because if that synthetic hair hits that boiling water, it is going to straighten them or mess them up in some way or form. So you just want to make sure you don't shock the curls with the hot water and get them messed up. So that is why I am clipping them all up. Now you see I am dipping each one and making sure I am not going too deep to where I hit the curls. And you see I'm taking one by one curl and I'm looking to see, just making sure I dip the perm rod only and not anything else up the braid. Also, you do not want to be handling hot water without help or being an adult, so I just want to put that out there in case there are some kids watching this. This is boiling hot water, can really hurt you, so you want to make sure you don't burn yourself or you have someone do it and that you're protected with a towel or anything that can protect you from the boiling water. Now you see I am unraveling all of the curls. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe if you want to see the full video. Make sure you go check that out. It's on my channel. I'm going to have it in the description and at the end on my end screen. Once you get done taking all the curlers out, you see I'm removing all the clips, and you want to start separating and moving all those curls downward. I am now putting on the mousse. I put the mousse on last because I wanted to define the synthetic curls that I'm going to be doing. You see, I'm just running my hands through it. And then you want to snip up the ends, make sure there isn't any stringy looking ones, make sure the braids are even, and that's what you see I am doing right now. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the full tutorial on how to do this, click the link right here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and hair grease.